Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to get to the Achieve 3000 LevelSet test. I am logged in as a test student, Johnny Appleseed, so that you can see what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is go to Courses and choose the course where you want to take the test, or really any course. Once you are in a course, on the left-hand side, you are going to click where it says Clever SSO. We're going to wait for Clever SSO to load. There we go. So now that we are in Clever SSO, you need to find the app for Achieve 3000. So I'm going to scroll down. Look at all these wonderful things. Look at all that. It's beautiful. And I find Achieve 3000. It's red. There's a person standing on their head. I'm going to click on it. And it should log me into Achieve 3000. There might be a step where you say that you want to log in through the directory, but then it should show you a page like this. Choose the class that you want to take the test in. So I want to take the test in English. Although really it will, I believe, transfer over to any class. But I want to take the class in English. So I pick a class, pick your class, and log in. And this is the screen it should say, right? Achieve 3000, welcome to Empower 3000. Welcome to Empower 3000. We're so glad you're here. On Empower 3000, you'll find things to read on all kinds of topics, from world news to sports, plus activities and games. But first, we need you to take a reading test. Read each passage in the test slowly and carefully, then answer the question by deciding which word fits in the blank. Pick the letter of the correct answer. Just relax and try to do your best. Click Next to begin. So you would click Next, and then your test will begin. There will be about 30 questions on your test. Make sure that you take this seriously and that you're doing your best, because this test helps us to determine your LevelSet level, which is a fancy way of saying your reading level. So by taking this test seriously, we will learn more about your reading abilities, and you also can take a look at your LevelSet level and find out more about your own reading abilities. This will also help Achieve 3000 to adjust articles so they fit into your reading ability level. If you have any questions or have any trouble getting into this LevelSet test, please contact your teacher immediately. Have a great day.